Hi friends, welcome to my world. I am Satish, creator Satish Leo Studies. The main aim of this channel is to make engineering students aware the importance of the engineering. Nowadays, students are simply learning the engineering as subjects for mark purpose only. By this way, they cannot gather knowledge. So, I here to tell the students how they should gather information or knowledge about the engineering. I divided this electronics and communication in four streams. The four streams are analog electronics, digital electronics, analog and digital communication, and computer communication. For this, the student must possess basic physics, chemistry, maths, and also basic electrical. Why basic electrical? Because we all know that electronics works on the electricity. So it's a better to have basic electrical knowledge. And next basic electronics we have to study electronics devices and circuits, and then after electronic circuits analysis. The before subjects which I have told are the basic subjects which are useful to gain knowledge for further. So I have already told that there are four streams. Let's discuss first stream, that is analog or microelectronics. For the students who want to study in this stream should study in this way to gather information. That is, first subject is analog electronics fundamentals, and next analog circuit theory and its applications, and next subject is analog circuit analysis and design, and next is analog IC, and afterwards we have to study LICA means linear integrated circuits and applications, and next one the last is advanced analog electronics, and the next stream is digital electronics. Students who are interested to study in this stream should follow in this way to gather information, that is STLD means switching theory and logic design. This is the basic subject which is used for the digital electronics. The next subject is PDC means pulse division circuit. After STLD, we have to study pulse digital circuit. Next, we have to go digital IC. After this gathered information of the digital IC, we have to study digital system design and DICA. DICA means digital integrated circuits application. With this DSD and DICA, we can easily gather knowledge. Further means we have to study VLSI, very large scale integrated circuits. Next, afterwards, we have to study CAO. CAO means computer architecture and organization. This forms the basic subject for the microprocessor and the microcontroller. So, we have to study CAO, then microprocessor, microcontroller, and the last subject is embedded systems. So, when you check again, STLD is the basic digital electronics, then pulse and digital circuit subjects, then digital IC. In this we study how the digital IC works and its application we will study. Next we will use these all ICs, we will prepare chip in VLSI. Afterwards this chip function is studied in the CAO, and this computer architecture organization forms the basic, and next we will depth study in microprocessor, microcontroller. So with all these circuits we will going to create one simple embedded circuit, that is we will going to study embedded system. The next subject is analog and digital communication. It is a stream, means in this subject to gain knowledge we have to follow this subject order. The first is signals and systems. So we all know that we can make work a system with the help of signals. So we have to study signals and systems. Then after digital signal processing. With this knowledge, for further we have to go digital image processing. So in this we will study about the signals, how the image is formed. For transmission we have to study electromagnetic wave transmission lines, that is how the electric and magnetic wavelengths are used to transfer information. With this on the circuits we have to send the information, so we need antennas, wave propagation, and with the help of frequencies means microwave engineering, and we will use radar systems. After these radar systems, the information is go from tower to tower, so we use cellular mobile communication, and afterwards our satellite communication. Next stream is computer communication. In this stream, students will study about how computer communicates with each other. The main basic subject is computer networks. With this computer, students will study of the routers and switches. Then after, they will have to study wireless sensor networks to gather information how these routers and switches works by using algorithms. So for these algorithms to provide security, we will next study network security and the cryptography. Okay students, these are the four streams. So engineering student can select in any stream and gain knowledge. So they must select one stream and they have to gather knowledge, and they have to select another stream to have to gather knowledge. So here note, I have written note, that is control system. Control system belongs to both analog and digital. It is a combined subject. In way, analog control system deals with process output in continuous values, whereas digital signals make use of intermediate binary language for computation before converting again back to analog.